Hey everybody, so I reinstalled the Utopia in my system. I hope you know that how to install it, but I did not set up it. So let's set up the Utopia software, which is the Utopia P2P ecosystem. And I also forgot my username and password. So at this time, I want to create a txt file, Utopia latest account.txt. Here is the file. I like to open this file with mousepad, or it's a text editor normal. And first let's see that it is available or not. Okay, I need to create account, not this one. Next, nickname. Your nickname will be visible to users in your contact list. This is it's optional. Option information first name, last name. I want to be anonymous. Next, here is your directory where your data about the Utopia software is saved by default. So don't delete this directory. Now you need to create a strong password. I want to hide the password from you, so let me stop the video. Alright, so paste the password here and here also. Click on finish. It's generating a new private key for me. It's actually a public key. You can see that. You can say that. I don't know, my Utopia is automatically closed. Why? And launched a new ecosystem here. So here is my public key. Let me copy my public key here. You can next, and close. That's it. Let me copy my public key also. Alright, so I suggest you please copy the username, password, and your public key. All the files in a txt file and don't delete that txt file. Otherwise, your account will be removed or you cannot reset your account, I think. Okay, here is the Utopia. So let's check all the things one by one. Firstly, here are the accounts or groups. I hear the groups same like the WhatsApp groups or Instagram or Telegram groups. So you can join any group from here. You can search from here in the group or from outside the group. Let me search here hacking here. I think let's try to click on our. Let's check this is the account or a user. Okay, this is a user. Let's show me it is online now. Ask user public key here. So now you have next thing emails. Actually, you have a completely anonymous user mails or ultimate mails like a Gmail or any professional email. But this is a completely secure email and also a anonymous email completely to keep you anonymous. Sent, outbox, draft, trash, inbox, and mailbox, everything. You can email to anyone. And then next you have a chat option. It is a Utopia AI like Chat GPT, but this is a Utopia AI. It is, I don't know how much it is smarter than the Chat GPT or what is the capability of it. Let me ask anything from it. What is Kali Linux? Send and I confirm. So what is Kali Linux? I send, so but I did not get reply from this AI. So I think it can reply after some specific time. Then you have contacts list. You can save the contacts of a Utopia persons, connected clients. Here you have a cryptocurrency wallet. Even it means that you can create your crypto wallet. You can log in your crypto wallet in the Utopia, and it is completely safe and completely uh, encrypted. A high level encryption is applied on this wallet. You have a crypto wallet, you have a UUST wallet, Even you have a mining bots, voucher, request crypton, swap, and many more options of a complete crypto accounts. Now let's check some other information about it. Click on, I need to find here the network tab. Here you can see it's a U wallet, open U wallet, send cryptons and everything about the crypto wallet. Okay, here I find the network dashboard in the tools option here. So you can see network option have a three option: console, journal or debug console. Then you have network I, which show you the connected IP like a proxy. And then you have indicators. It show you your receiving packets, your transmitting packets, LC packets, FW, and every another packet information in a briefly detailed. And even it show you the speed, your internet speed with the speed meter. Like you have currently 1240 ms speed. So it's not bad, but it's not as good as you need. All right. So next you also have some game option like chess and poker, some help section about Utopia, check for updates and your mining board. Okay, click on tools. I hope you learned that what is U wallet. Open U wallet here. Open a new tab. What is IM? Okay. Then you have Umail. Open a new tab. It is your mail options. You have a views option, switch theme, convert into dark or light mode, your contacts option, your search option, chat history, or your global search, and then edit file, my profile. You can set up your profile anytime. But you have one more thing like UNS database. What is UNS? Actually, the UNS is an alternate of DNS. What is DNS? DNS means domain name system, and then you have UNS like unified name system. So you can buy any domain completely free, but there's a loophole, that is you can only test or you can only run that domain inside the Utopia AI, Utopia application. Okay, click on tools and you find here web proxy. Click on this one. It launches a proxy type browser or a tab. You can browse any website here with a completely anonymity. So enter URL like if I type here www.google.com. Even I think it does not require the verification from you, even though you are using the proxy information here. The proxy is launching here, you can see. And I need to launch my Firefox here to show you my public IP. What is my IP? So in my normal browser, my IP, public IP is this one. Now here is the Google. I going to search here. Okay, this process can be slowed something or can be slowed too much because it's an encrypted proxy type browser. What is my IP? Let's see my IP here. And here you can see here my IP is this one, but inside the normal browser my public IP is this one. All right, so you are anonymous here. You can see it does not require any information from me, like not my phone number, not my system, not my birthday, or not my name even. It's required only my anonymous name, and everything is anonymous here. And no, now you can search anything here under the proxy. And I hope you know that what is proxy, how much the proxy is secure. Let's see on which country this pro is IP is belongs to this country. I think this website does not accept this level of privacy. So I need to launch one more website here, which is second link. Here you can see what is my ipaddress.com. Your browser is out of date. It does not accept it. I think my this browser is not up to date, but it is secure. So the one more website, what is my IP.com? That is IP address, and this is my IP only. So it try to detect my IP information here. It is still in the loading. Okay, so it got my IP address. My public is not detected. Location is not detected, and ISP is not detected. What did detect? So you can see that here the google.com does not require the verification or authentication from you, and it gave you the IP which is completely a different IP from your system, completely anonymous like. Okay, here's the NordVPN. What is my IP address? Here. Okay, next time I try to open the Utopia after turn on the VPN to get one more layer of security to check that it is worked or not. So it got my IP detected, but it does not guess my location. You can see it does not try it cannot guess my location because it's a proxy server. So close this browser. You can see everything is encrypted here because of proxy. Close it. Also close this one, and I'm going to close this complete browser. Then next you have IDYLL browser, and you have also YMaps. So here's the browser of Utopia. You can browse the everything information, but that is related to must be related to the Utopia only.